Hi, Dave Michaels here with Graber Insulators. We are out here at Norton Commons. We are obviously still under construction. You hear the noise everywhere and see lots of activity going on. Standing in front of one of Mastercraft's houses and been working with Joe Kroll and Dan Swaggart for a long time now. This house had lots of hard to insulate areas that we insulated, and so what we're going to do is come in and kind of take a look, and I'm going to be able to show you what happened inside this house. So come on in and let's take a look and see what's going on. Look forward to seeing everybody at Homerama, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 266-8868. Thanks.
Okay, we're in Norton Commons, lot 913. Builder of this home is Joe Kroll. We're in this attic today to show the insulation on this particular home. The application is a roofline non-vented assembly attic where the foam is actually applied to the roofline all the way from the peak all the way down to your lower soffit areas. It's completely sealed. You can see down the bottom down there, sealed all the way down to the drywall there. This keeps all your heat from escaping in the winter time. Keeps the heat from intruding in the summertime. And the other thing it does in this particular attic, we've got all this ductwork up here feeding the home. This second floor of this particular home has all of its ductwork for the second floor up here in the attic, running to all the different rooms. In a normal situation, it's a 95-degree day today. This attic would be anywhere from 140 to possibly even 150 degrees. By insulating this way, our attic here, as you can see, is 75 to 78 degrees, it looks like. 75 to 78 degrees, which will keep this ductwork in a conditioned environment, which is a huge advantage. You wouldn't want to take your ductwork out in 95 degrees outside and run it back in your house. You most certainly wouldn't want to take it into a 150-degree environment and run it back into your house. That's one advantage. The other advantage is when you're dealing with all of this flex duct or any kind of ductwork, there's a lot of joints. And although we try to do the best job that we can with tape and mastic and different products like this to try to seal them, the fact of the matter is it's a very tough job when you've got all these knots and all these different areas that the ductwork needs to go into, crevices. Makes it very difficult to seal the ductwork. Therefore, leakage is a common thing in ductwork, which is a big problem whenever you take the ductwork outside of your insulation envelope. But by doing this roofline application, you are actually keeping all your ductwork in the insulation envelope. Thus, any leakage is not leaking outside of your envelope, so you do not lose that. The money you have spent to pay for that conditioned air stays in your house, does not exit.